Okay, we got a 1998 Chevy Silverado k1500. Windshield wipers are not functioning as they should. One, the spray for the windshield washer isn't working, and the motor's fine on that. The windshield wipers will stop in the middle of their stroke. You can set it on mist and it'll run at high speed. So it's got problems. So you might think it's this multifunction switch here. More than likely, it's not. I'm going to show you what it is. It'll be this multifunction. It'll be this pulse board that's gone bad, and it's very, very easy to change. So, hang on. I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so it takes a T20 Torx fitting. It's got 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. Already taken them out, and I've already loosened up this plug. So before you take these loose, pop your electrical connection loose. You just get that over there. Just unplugs. And you got to push down on the little tab right there. Okay. And then I didn't take that screw all the way out because it's got a slotted cover. So just lift, jiggle it a little bit. Okay, your cover comes off, and here's the pulse board. What goes bad on these things is these contact arms right here. And you can actually, well, you probably can't see it on the video, but they're worn down. They've got a little ramp on them where they've worn off. So not making good contact. This is the new one. And these are just a lot bigger, and they're square. So all you've got to do is there's little slots right here, and these tabs here slide into it. You just get this over here, push it in. It's got a little marker tab right here, so that you know it's squared up. I got this kit from O'Reilly's, and it comes with a new cover and new screws. So I'll slide this up under that screw there, kind of help hold this in place. There we go. Get you in there. Give this a little tighten down. Just to hold it a little bit. I get these other screws going. And the third one is right in here. Now, I did run a small bead of clear silicone around the inside of this cover, because water getting in there is not a good thing. Okay, now it's all that's left to do is plug this little guy in and make sure it clicks. Okay, that's in there nice and solid. Now, and that took all of what, 4 or 5 minutes. So let's see what we got. Okay, let's turn the key on. The spray motor works. How about that? And the wipers parked exactly where they should be. So, problem solved. You can find the part all on the internet for under $30. I just walked into O'Reilly's. They had it on the shelf, $26 in tax, and then 4 or 5 minutes to change it out, and you've got good functioning wipers again. So hope this helps somebody out.